Leaders of the Indianapolis Islamic community meeting with Homeland Security officials today. The discussion was about access and donations for the Afghan evacuees that are currently housed at Camp Atterbury. Discussions also continue about how to find those evacuees sponsors to welcome them into the Indiana community. Fox 59's Russ McQuaid also attended that meeting in Plainfield. He has more details for us tonight. Russ?
About 50 Muslim leaders from central Indiana attended this meeting with federal officials here in Plainfield to talk about what's going on at Camp Atterbury and how the larger community can help. These are the only glimpses we've had from inside Camp Atterbury after more than 6,000 evacuees began arriving last month. Congressional delegations and local volunteers have been inside.
We have been in touch with them over the last few weeks.
Today, federal officials and leaders of local mosques were meeting in Plainfield to talk about the provisions many of the evacuees still need: clothing, Qurans, prayer cloths, and simple personal care items for families, like 7,000 diapers a day for 1,000 youngsters under the age of 4, where the average family size is 7.5 people.
Men and women are separated at the bases. The children tend to be with the mothers, and they try to make sure that the husbands and the wives and the kids are kind of in the same area so that they can, help each other and spend time together. But I think sharing most of the workload is the hardest part for these mothers.
There's roughly 6,400 Afghans on the base. 21 have left to start their new lives, and by the end of this week, the paperwork will be in place for at least 80% of the evacuees to follow them to their new homes, if such places can be found.
The most important is resettlement, housing, and getting continuous help after they come out of the camp, because the challenge will really start after they are resettled. And first, where to resettle; second, once they resettle, how to navigate through life.
Donations keep pouring into Atterbury from across central Indiana and Chicago and Detroit. 130 new Afghan evacuees arrived today, and another 130 are expected tomorrow, and they will all need winter coats.
But these people are very strong, and they're very happy to be here. They feel safe. They feel thankful for everyone's help.
One Homeland Security official told me that cameras will be allowed on the base this Thursday so we can show you what's going on inside Camp Atterbury. In Plainfield, Russ McQuaid, Fox 59 News.
All right.